So hi guys, so in this video we're gonna discuss about some basics English. Also I mentioned some of in my environment. I will show you something. So yeah, so in this video we gonna something new better like some basics English also. Some around my I will show some villages, some side. So so I am live it at some of the village side. Like I'm also learning some basics in these communications because of I need for that. If I learn it, I will become something like I will achieve my goal also something. So that is important for the my English learning also. So some people are there saying at the village side they are learning the English. It is a difficulty. I know because of I'm also so many things the struggling during the village side because of we haven't much knowledge about the village side compared to the city side in my opinion, because of there are the city side schools and students there are speak very well sometimes. So compared to the village side, some of the students they haven't much knowledge about the English. So I will the learning some of the importance. Like if you start to the English, so please support me and also subscribe my channel. So I will arrange some Zoom meet or Google Meet. We gonna discuss on that. So please support me. So yeah, thank you for the watching this video. So I will see some in my around some of the lands there. So if you can see the mango trees also there in my home nearby. So yeah, this is the mango tree also there. So many mangoes also there. Yeah, you're gonna see because of this the covering or not I don't know, but yeah, something have. So yeah, if you go some around the walk like if like yeah, this is my mango tree also. Yeah, we are live at the village side. So yeah, yeah, something there in the tree under. So yeah, so this is my land also. This one we have we have completed that one the plant under something. So yeah, this is the crabs in the in the so sorry, wait, I will preparing for that. So yeah, it is the crabs in my neighboring. There are the put on the crabs. They will the harvesting. It will be around the 2 weeks after that I think. So yeah, this is I will show you in my around something. So yeah, why I mentioned because I'm also live at the village side because of I haven't much knowledge about the English to speak to someone some strangers because of if the village side we haven't the much kind of the environment. If you speak someone, there are only speaking the native language like the the native language our mother tongue. Because of if you go to the city side or something different, that time only you using the English. So in my opinion, so yeah, in this video we talk about something in my environment. So I'm also live it at the village side, but I go to the my college in the city side. That's the reason we taken the some of the video. It is around so many noise also there. So yeah, so in my village no noise there because of like we have the silent place there in the village side. Because of we haven't a road the nearby. So that's the reason also. So yeah, you can see the sunset. So I think yeah, it is a good I think because of if you at the village side, it is the peaceful mind also is there. So yeah, in this video I think I speak better before the day something. Yeah, I have some confidence boosting because of I am speaking to every day like yeah, it's like the documentary I will taken. So yeah, in this video I think you gonna see my around the village or something. So yeah, we have something different unique. We also taken we have so many plans with together. So if you're interested, please let me know in the comment section. So also if like I'm also the beginner, I'm also continuously learning the English. So if you have any suggestion or any mistake for me, please let me know in the comment section. I will show about upcoming video, I will correct them. So yeah, in this video we gonna discuss in my environment also. I mentioned it, so please support me, and also please comment me if any made a mistake. And also I mentioned, so if you interested, speak with me, let me know in the comment section. I will arrange some of the Google Meet or Zoom Meet, we gonna discuss. And also we have recorded that video, we put on the like YouTube. So yeah, I think this my face is different because of haircut and haircutted, so that's the reason my face is different. Yeah, I think in this video you're gonna see like the sunset, it's a good. So I think so. Okay, so I'm thinking like I would like to speak, so don't waste your time. So please every day put on the 5 to 10 minutes practice, and don't wait for the perfect time. It is never come, never come anytime. So don't compare yourself to someone, because of every person we have that different unique also. So please practice every day. In your environment, be with the positive vibe, so like your friends or something different. So yeah, in this video, yeah, that's also. If you're interested, yeah, please let me in the comment section, I will show you something. So yeah, in this video we gonna discuss on that. So thank you for watching this video fully. So okay, bye, thank you.